Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn about uh, better, efficient, and of very small size and IDE, which is Sublime Text Editor 3. So let me open it for you. This is a Sublime Text Editor. It's an text editor, but you can also use it as an IDE. First, let me show you how to download it. Open your browser. I opened my Chrome browser and search for Sublime Text. As you can see, there is www.sublimetext.com. Click on it and you'll be redirected to its official website. See, I'm using Windows 10, so here is an option: download for Windows. If you are using Mac, Linux, or other Windows, you will get option depending upon your operating system. So in my case, it's Windows, so I'm just going to click on it, and the download has started. I have downloaded it already. I have already downloaded it to save time. So let me just show you the downloaded file. Here is the downloaded file, Sublime Text build, which is a 64 version, as my Windows is Windows 64-bit, and its size is 10.4 MB, which is very small as compared to size of a regular IDE. So just to install it, you just have to click on it, give this, and now click next, click install, and boom, it's installed. So now how to use this IDE? So let me just show you quickly. This is a main.c file I have created earlier. So when you install Sublime Text, you can able to edit all those files, or you can create a new one. Let me just show you how to create a new file. So let me first close this one. Here's the Sublime Text editor. Just let me create a new file. I'm going to save it as main.c. Main.c is already there. Just delete it for you. Main.c file. So we have created a main.c file. Now I'm going to write simple C commands. The best part about this IDE or text editor, whatever you want to say it, is that when you type some part of something that is already uh, known by the already known by everyone, that is, let's say it's printf function. So if you don't want to type this whole printf, you can just type a word for it, or two alphabets. In my case, I have just typed PR, and it shows and it guesses what you want to type, so it suggests to use printf. So just press enter and see, you don't have to type this much of code. You just have to type PR, and everything else will be uh, get written by the software itself. So let me just create a hello world program. So I'm going to save it. I made a simple C program. So now let's run it. To run it, you have to go to tools section, and in build section, it's single file. Since we have saved this file as .c format, so this this C single file is already by default. But if you can change it if you want something else. Since we are using C, so I can set it to C single file. Let's just build it. To build it, you can click on build, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl+B. So I'm just going to build it. C build finished. finished in 1 second, and the result is a hello world. So it's a simple but very efficient text editor. Let me show you some of the best features of it. There is a distraction free mode in it. Yes, there it is. Enter distraction free mode. When you click on it, uh, everything on screen will disappear, and you just and you are on a screen with no distractions. You just have to, you will focus on your coding or whatever you're doing in Sublime Text. Now let me just exit distraction free mode. There is an option for layout. In layout, you can choose columns 2, columns 3, columns 4, rows 2, rows 4, rows 3. What they do is, let me just show you. When I say column 3, so now you can work on 3 files at a single time. It's really efficient if you are not new programmer. If you are an experienced programmer and you have to handle multiple files, then this is the best option, don't you think? Another option is layout rows 3. So if I click on it, you'll get 3 rows depending upon the style or whatever you like, whether it's rows or it's column. You can change it on your own desire. Let me just make it to single. There is an also spell check option. It's there's a dictionary pre-installed in Sublime Text. You can add another dictionary. In my case, it's English US. So you can click on spell check. And here you can see there's 0 misspelled words, as I haven't done any mistakes. So this is all for Sublime Text. I hope you liked it. There are a lot of IDEs and text editors, but the problem with IDEs is that they are large in size. They require more computer resources, plus they are really hard to handle. When you use some IDEs like CodeLite, CodeBlocks, some of them have issues like they don't run on this Windows or this operating system. To run this latest software, you need Windows 10 latest updated software. These are a lot of problems that I myself have faced. So I have done a lot of research to find which one is the best IDE, and I found that this Sublime Text, it's version 3. Actually, it's a trial version. You have to purchase the original one, but no need to purchase it, as functions are same in both trial and registered version. The difference only is that in the unregistered version, you just they just pop up every time you open Sublime Text to register. So you can just close that part, close that pop-up, and you are good to go. I think I have said enough. That's all for today. Thank you, guys.